So,
I think this is going to be quite a fire.
Indeed.
Dude.
You think?
Oh, here we go. Right, go level that so we get good. I'll level.
Holy shit.
Oh,
Lag.
let it rain! Oh my!
Shoot the guns!
Prioritize lock-ons.
What the? Oh my god! Oh wow, that is
Oh, we're
beautiful.
going down.
Calm down. Calm down, calm down. We are fucked. Sorry.
Yeah, not much I could do. But I couldn't. Too laggy. Thank God I didn't fly myself. Too many people.
2 minutes cooldown. Who can pull it?
Oh.
Needle, can you pull it?
Yeah, I can.
Thanks.
You really killed me with fucking lock-ons, Jesus.
Ring a ding dong.
Oh, I killed a lot of them.
But I don't have a duster.
Do you have
Sorry.
a zapper? Do you have a zapper?
Yes.
Zapper, please. Zapper bulldog is